As the weather's starting to warm up and the official start to grilling and picnic season is just a few weeks away, I thought it was the perfect time to share a recipe that is bright and sunny. It's ambrosia, and it's a dish that is often the center of debate. Some folks think that it's a side dish, while others insist it's a dessert. Either way, it's downright tasty. And it goes together like this. We place a couple of eggs in a double boiler, or if you don't have one, you can simply place a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. Now to that, we add some vinegar and sugar and whisk it until it starts to thicken up. Then we take it off the heat and stir in some butter before letting it cool. Once it's cool, we fold it into some whipped topping. And after it's mixed, we stir in some pineapple, cherries, mandarin oranges, coconut, and mini marshmallows. Try not to overmix it so the fruit doesn't break up. And whether you serve this as a change-of-pace side dish or as a refreshing dessert, everyone will go back for more. It's really that good. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our Tutti-Frutti Ambrosia so you'll have a new side dish or a dessert to serve all summer long. I'm Howard with Always Hungry Kelly from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. What do you think, Carol?